back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines and it is almost officially the best time of the year. My favorite time of the year. Grab your PSL. I actually, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I made like a really skinny kind of PSL. So that's actually what I had a little bit earlier. So I didn't go to Starbucks. I made my own and it was like half the amount of calories. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Also make sure you guys subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Also turn on your post notifications before we jump in because I'm gonna show you guys the cutest fall home decor like the title says, and I'm gonna bring you guys shopping with me. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. Heck yes.
That's not home decor.
These are the 0-calorie ones. Pumpkin caramel or pumpkin spice? Which one shall I get? One of my favorite ways to spice up like the decor is napkins or like placemats that are like fall inspired. Oh, see, like these are pretty cute.
Yeah.
Is it too orangey?
Yeah, that looks like if I went over to grandma's house. Perfect.
Oh, does it really look like grandma-ish? And look, napkins.
That one looked kind of grandma or like farm.
So maybe, okay, or like, yes. I see how that does look a little grandma, but maybe with napkins and like some nice plate settings in this.
Yeah. Here we got some colors right there. That's better.
Yeah, but that's not, no. I want napkins.
Oh, what about these?
That's what I want.
That's little kids.
No. That's if we're having Mason over.
Yeah.
Oh, here's napkins.
Oh.
See,
oh, just what you wanted, white and thing.
Yes.
That's exactly what you're liking.
Set of 4 napkins. This is pretty. See? This is what I'm talking about. Or like the leaves one. Look.
You know you like the gold. I already know you like the gold.
Gold over this one?
I don't know. You're a gold. You always tend to lean towards
like
gold
more, but this one kind of stands out a little bit more. Okay, I don't know which one I want now.
Oh, look at it.
There's so many cute ones.
That one is pretty cool.
I can't decide now.
What are you gonna do? Because that would match maybe this one more? No.
No.
That would match this one more.
These are all napkins.
Oh. I didn't know.
Of course not.
I'm so bad at this. Why did you bring me along again? I'm supposed to just shut up and film, right?
No, you help and you entertain me.
Oh.
I get bored coming by myself, so I bring you.
I didn't even know that they're both napkins.
Yes, they're both napkins. But look how these are actually really pretty and cute and like simple little pumpkin.
Yeah, they are. Oh, it's like so cute.
But this one's like more sophisticated.
Sophisticated, yeah. Like
I'm
we're gonna
grown up.
Right.
Look at me.
Sophisticated. Cute.
Yeah.
Sophisticated. Cute. Sophisticated.
Okay, we're gonna hold on to all of them.
Oh my god.
We'll decide and
okay,
we'll show them at the end what we end up getting, okay?
Kitchen towels. It's all about the details. Kitchen towels. Ooh, that's like.
But I want something simple. Oh, like this. Fall into autumn.
Oh my
like,
gosh! Did we just fall into our choice?
Yeah, we did.
Oh my gosh! I love home decor shopping. Show me. Oh, fall into autumn. Babe, you want some French fries? They're yummy, and you can dip them in the ranch right there. Oh,
you tricked
me. Got you. Got you. Doesn't it look like French fries?
No,
and like you put the ranch in here.
Does not look like French. No. I really want to.
Oh, we could just throw a painting.
And this matches all of like the new blues and stuff that we're getting. Doesn't this look pretty?
But will that be year round, or are you saying you're gonna change it?
Yeah, it'll be year round until we get bored of it.
Which for you is
in a few months.
In a few months, I can make that.
No, you cannot make.
I'll go and make it for you.
I like these colors.
It's a string, vine.
It's like a vine, but it's called.
It's like a vine. Okay.
Like a vine.
Grab my hand. We did this.
It's like a vine.
Vine is a 6-second video app that no longer exists. Success. Oh, and it's a sun setting.
Down yet. That means we weren't there that long. Huh.
Yeah, we weren't there that long. Hobby Lobby.
That road, fall's coming.
Oh, you look cute. You.
Victoria.
Weston's making fun of some of these things I bought, saying he can find it on the street.
Yep.
Hey, and what'd you find yourself here, huh?
A cool little hat. Dad cap season.
You look hot.
What's up?
You look cute. Yeah, so, I told him to get it because I told him it looked cute.
I'm gonna go to the mountains.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find sticks and berries. And I'm gonna sell it for $60.
So this is our new business.
Yeah. I'm
Wow.
gonna drive around collecting little trinkets.
Yeah.
And sell it at Hobby Lobby.
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna sell in front of Hobby Lobby at a discount price. Cha-ching.
So now jumping into like the actual haul part and all the home decor that I bought. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what's behind me because I did buy a few things that are behind me. Okay, little side disclaimer, I actually have not put these things out downstairs yet, but you guys will see the clips of them actually styled, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. I actually ended up being a little more daring, a little more bold, and I went with some colors, which is not what I'm used to, so I'm no interior designer, I just do this for fun, and a lot of you guys enjoy watching videos like this. Like, I love fall home decor, so yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy it either way, even if it doesn't work out. I want to start with what's behind me. This right here is this little fall pumpkin tiered decor piece. This was $16.99 from Home Goods, and I don't know, I love it. I love the gold on it. It says fall. It's like the perfect size, so I wanted to put this on my little setup here. Next to it, I also got this little silver pumpkin. I thought it was adorable. This one was $9.99 from Home Goods. And then right behind it is this pumpkin, which is actually on like a little kind of candlestick holder decor piece. This one was $12.99. So how freaking cute is that? Also, I probably will say cute a million times throughout the video because everything is just so cute. I can't help myself. Like, it's hard to describe things. If you guys have ever tried like describing and using different verbs, like it is so hard when you think everything's so cute. This little grateful thing I've had since last year. I showed it to you guys in my last fall home decor from last year. And then this is new. It says falling leaves in autumn, please. I don't actually really care for what it says, but I do really like the little fall leaves, and I might actually do like a DIY because I feel like I could have made this at home for a little bit cheaper. I think it was like $10. Okay, so now moving on to everything in my bag here. I also got this silver pumpkin. This one's like a really glam, nicer looking pumpkin. I'll put this downstairs somewhere. We'll see. We'll find a little home for that. Okay, so the biggest thing that I wanted to change around was basically my whole little dining setup. Last year I had one, I really liked it, so I wanted to do something a little bit different this year because I didn't want obviously the same exact thing. So I got this as my centerpiece. It's a birch log taper holder. Basically it holds 5 candles and it looks like this. I just thought this was adorable. It's really minimal, but I am gonna add a few other things which is going to make it kind of look over the top. So that's why I wanted something a little bit smaller. Last year, my centerpiece thing was almost like too big, but it looked really pretty. Don't get me wrong, if you guys remember, like it was so pretty, but wanted something different. So then underneath that, I like doing a table runner, and this is the one that I picked out from Home Goods. Just has a bunch of leaves in this like gold and copper, silver colors. I thought it was really pretty and still gives it a total like fall look without looking too over the top. It's not like too loud in my opinion. So that's gonna go right down. Obviously it's a table runner. And then I got these napkins. If you guys saw, like I could not decide on the napkins, but I felt like these were like pretty simple, but still again gives the whole vibe feeling. So they are just gold with a little bit of like silver speckles and then this little pumpkin right here. So I love adding like a nice napkin to each little setup. I feel like it makes it look so much nicer, and I've forgotten about napkins in the past years. And then these are the placemats that I went with. I went with this navy color. These ones were $9.99 at Home Goods. I think, oh, there's actually a handful. But yeah, this is what I mean by I was a little daring and a little bold. I went with a lot of other like blue hues because I also have like some wreaths and stuff from last year that have a lot of those like dusty blues in it. So that's kind of what I'm going for. I don't know if it's going to work out. Honestly, like I'm so scared. I feel like it's going to be a total fail, but I wanted to try something new. I always am like so plain and boring and just go with the whites and stuff that you guys saw. That was my plan. My plan is to go with a bunch of clean whites and like silvers and stuff like that. But you know what? We're going to play with a little bit of color. So I got these placemats, and then oh, in the kitchen, I got these towels, little kitchen towels. These ones are super cute. They were $6.99, and honestly, we just don't have any like fall kitchen towels, so I wanted to get something. And then I found these little pumpkins. How cute are these? They're little candles. They have little candles on them. How freaking adorable, and they're gold. I figured I'd use these as like my little place settings to put like on top of the plates, but if that doesn't work out or if it just is getting too crazy on the table, you're totally gonna find a spot for these. So I'm gonna find a place to put them, whether it be in my kitchen or living room or even right here in my little filming setup. Who knows? These ones were $6.99. I should have grabbed more of these. I don't know if there was more. I feel like this was the only one. Continue with the whole dining setup. I went with silver chargers. I have like a dark, they're like a bronze color, and that's what I used last year, but again, I wanted something different, so I picked up these silver ones from Hobby Lobby. These ones were $1.89. So yeah, I feel like the silver with the blues and stuff might go pretty well. Crossing my fingers still. And then here is the game changer. It's a Garland, and I wanted something kind of simple, but still a little bit of color. Hobby Lobby, I was surprised. I thought they would have a lot more options. They had a good assortment, but just not exactly what I was looking for. This was the best that I can do. So this one was $39.99, but all their fall decor is 40% off like it normally is. So I got this there, but I'm gonna, oh, it's going in my mouth literally. I'm gonna put this down the center, like right on top of the table runner, and then put everything else around it as well. So again, wish me luck. I'm hoping it all works out. Oh, okay, and then from Hobby Lobby as well, I got this little assortment of pumpkins. It has those like dusty blues, some white ones, orange ones. Again, this is gonna go like on the table kind of around the garland and stuff. So we'll see how that all works out. And then lastly from Hobby Lobby, okay, this could be a total fail once again, but I saw these and they were so adorable that I couldn't pass them up. They're little corns with like little corn husks, like it has a little husk on it. I feel like, I don't know, these are just the cutest thing ever. And if they don't work out there, then I'm just gonna find a place to put them because they're so adorable. These cannot go back. These cannot go back. Like, I will find a place for them. My original idea is to put them on the table settings, like instead of the pumpkins, if the pumpkins don't work out, put a little corn there. How cute will that look? A little corn on each plate? Like you're gonna eat corn? They're so cute. They're adorable. From Hobby Lobby also, I got this little rye bushel, what would it be called? Looks like this. Again, for the place settings, if not, I'll find a place to put them. I can like stick them in a vase or something. I feel like these are like very fallish. And then I got a few more things. Actually, these ones are from Home Goods. I got 2 of these pillows. Again, it has the blues and stuff to match the rest of the decor that I picked out. And then the last pillow, because I do have a ton from last year, so I'm gonna use some of those. I'm gonna take them out from the garage. The other pillow that I wanted to put in the center is this big guy right here. So it's a longer one, and it has a bunch of like golds and silvers and stuff. So I thought it was really pretty. I feel like it looks kind of like grandma-ish in a way, but with everything else, I feel like it might look really pretty. It just like screams fall, has the fall colors without being like overboard. I didn't like have a ton of oranges and yellows everywhere, so instead that's kind of like my big statement color piece, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is everything for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. That's all the home decor that I picked out for this year. Again, I do have a ton of other stuff from last year that I'm gonna bring out and then kind of like mix and match and see what works out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will link those other videos down below. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I have a ton of other fall videos planned out. Like literally, I'm already working on all those other fall videos because I love this season. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on the vlog channel. Go subscribe there, and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. All that stuff is always linked down below. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.